Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing well. If you haven't already, please subscribe, comment, like and share this video if you enjoy it. So in today's video is all about figuring out why you haven't started now. There's so many people out there, so many of us who have so many different ideas, visions and goals, but we find that those goals never lift off, those visions never live in the notebook, those dreams never become achieved, because there's always a common denominator on the reasons why we don't start now. And I just wanted to give you a few pointers on why you haven't started venturing out or working towards your dreams. One of the main reasons why people don't start, giving excuses that their idea is not good enough. For example, if you have a business idea or business proposition, if you're one of those people that constantly try and make it better or try and find ways of making better without even starting, then that might be the reason why you haven't started. You're always thinking that you're going to fail even before you begin, or you're always thinking, oh, I'll start now but I won't commit. So you have to realize that, you have to get rid of that phrase of not good enough yet, or no one will like it, or I haven't perfected it yet. But the key here is to be able to just get into it and start. How would you know that your idea is not good enough if you're not even giving yourself the chance to improve it, if you're not letting it leave your planning stage? The key is being able to push through and just start. The next thing that's maybe stopping you from starting now is saying that you're scared. You may be scared that your business will fail. You may be scared that no one will like your ideas. You may be scared that if you put something out there for the world, people are going to say negative things about it, people are going to laugh, people are going to look down on you. But you just have to push through. Nothing good comes from being comfortable. If you want to progress and be the best version of yourself, you're going to have to take a leap of faith and jump. You can't just be scared, and you can't let fear stop you from starting. One of the most reasons why people don't start is the excuse of not having time. People say, I don't have time to do this. When I have time, I'll get round to it. But the truth is, you probably won't. And you can find the time for what's important. You always make time for what's important to you. If it's important to you, you'll make time for it. And that's what I think most people don't really get started, is because they've used time as an excuse. Remember to look out for these key things once you are trying to start pursuing a goal or trying to achieve your dreams. Make sure that you're not limiting yourself by saying you don't have time. Make sure you're not limiting yourself by saying you're scared or letting fear get in the way, or make sure that you're not limiting yourself by trying to perfect an idea that hasn't even started yet. So make sure that you push through, and whatever your goal is, you just start doing it now. Okay, thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please leave a comment in the comment section below, and I will see you next time. Bye.